There are no doubts you can earn money driving a big rig across the United States. In this episode, we show a case study on how to make $10,000 a week being a dry van driver. A dry van is the most common type of freight transportation in the United States. The major part of owner-operators are dry van drivers. Today, a 53 dry van owner-operator who uses our services is a hero of this episode. His name's Rennie. He's hitting the road on his own and grows his truck fleet. He understands the basic business rules and totally involved trucking environment. His positive attitude to the business amazes us. He is beating all of the opportunities that our dispatcher provides. As a result, he has the best value loads in the market conjuncture that take place. Rennie is doing his best when he is in front of his steering wheel. He accepts the call of an open road and enjoys that. He understands that this part of the job depends on him. Meanwhile, he uses a business approach and delegates the other important stuff to those who will get the best outcome. By the way, he closed this month with $29,500 in revenue per his truck. That equals $7,250 a week on average. This isn't just one successful week. This is a process he sticks to. Rennie started his week in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He had to pick up a load between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. and go to Athens, Georgia, with a sharp delivery appointment at 9 a.m. The next load he must pick up the next day in Chattanooga, Tennessee. This load was with 2 picks and 1 drop. The second pickup was in Nashville, Tennessee. The load was moving Rennie back to Philadelphia. While Rennie was on the road, a dispatcher sent him the next load option with the next day pickup. Rennie was happy that this load was just in 80 miles. So, after delivery in Phila, he drove to Linden, New Jersey, 37,000 pounds of palletized product. Pick up at 1 p.m. and the next day delivery in Cartersville, Georgia. The last load for this week must be picked up the same day in Duluth, Georgia, with over the weekend delivery. 1 pick, 2 drops. The first drop in South Boston, Virginia. The second one in Orangeville, Pennsylvania. To sum up the week, he drove 3,738 miles in total. 3,322 loaded miles and 416 deadhead miles. He got $10,097 total in revenue. His insurance a month per truck and trailer cost $1,350. That's $337.5 a week. Fuel costs, including deadheads, $1,441. Dispatch services, $505. Factoring, $505. Gross profit, $7,308. He doesn't stay in hotels, just uses his truck sleeper. We also asked to calculate truck maintenance cost. He said that it happens from time to time and it's difficult to calculate. Anyway, you should keep in mind that there are some extra costs that might influence your gross profit. As we told in the beginning, this isn't just one successful week. He repeats that month over month, and this is a bright example of a businessman mindset that helps Rennie to grow his company. You can adopt this business approach and still be free and independent while making money to prosper. We're here at Resolute to help every owner-operator be a stunning entrepreneur. Share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe to watch the next episodes.